This is a General Electric window ventilator fan from the 1950s. This one is reversible, and it is a model number, let's see, F11W3. Motor is rated for 2.5 amps. The plug on this one has seen better days, and the plug actually gets hot on this thing after it runs for a little while. So this thing must draw quite a bit of current on startup or something. It also has to be oiled, which is probably why it's drawing more current than it's supposed to. So I'm going to be doing that today. But first I'll show it running and everything. It's got the typical gigantic GE motor, unit bearing, of course. I'm probably just going to try and oil it from the front, just to get it working quickly, so stay tuned. I'll be using some of this liquid bearings synthetic oil, as well as Super Lube synthetic oil. It's in a Zoom Spout bottle, but this is not Zoom Spout oil, it's synthetic. I purchased this fan on Facebook Marketplace, I think during the summer, and I haven't run it that much. I ran it a bit this morning after I got it down from the attic, and it runs pretty nice once it gets up to speed. The motor has a loud cyclic hum when it's speeding up, so hopefully oiling it helps a little bit. Pretty sure the bearing is nice and tight, so that's not the problem. I'm going to go ahead and run it. We'll start without. Start on high. It's very quiet once it gets up to speed. It's very nice. It's drawing within spec amperage. It's rated for 2.5, 2.43 is what it's pulling. 154 watts. Low power factor because it's a shaded pull motor. And we're testing on 119.8 volts. Alright, now we'll go down to medium. It gets louder when you tilt it forward. There's a bit of scraping in the back of the motor. And now low. This thing moves a huge amount of air. Just watching it spin down. It does stop a little bit too quick, which is another reason it needs to be oiled. Now I'll start it up going forward. I'm not going to run it for long because I don't want this blowing a bunch of dust at me. Start off on low. show the amp draw when it's starting up. Alright, here we go. Let's start up on high. And there we go, it's up to speed pretty much. It's definitely drawing within spec amperage, so that's good. So that'll do it for this part of the video. Next video is going to be cleaning and oiling the motor.